Rust preventive coatings. We get a fair number of questions every day. Obviously, everyone knows this for the red can, the rust preventive. Been doing it for 40 plus years, and we have a lot of other products to go around with it. But we do get a lot of questions specifically just about this and our other products. Common question is, how quickly can I recoat it? Typically, we see recoat times in 3 to 4 hours, maybe a little bit longer. It is a moisture cured urethane, so the cure time really depends on where you're using it. Are you using it in a really dry environment like Arizona desert, or are you up in the Pacific Northwest where it's damp and moist and cool all the time? So more moisture in the air, the quicker it's going to cure. So those are things to take into effect. The recoat, when to recoat it, we like to say that there's a finger drag. You coat when it's dry to the touch, you don't get any paint on your finger, and you get like a light squeak, like you have a really clean piece of glass and you get that squeak, but no paint comes off. That's a perfect time to recoat POR-15, either with a second coat of POR-15 or the top coat of your choice, whether it be our engine enamel or our caliper paint or even our top coat enamel. So those are some of the common questions we get asked for that.